Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is Subi from Citrus Journal Studio. Today we are going to be making this Christmas folio. This is the North Pole Folio, a part of the Folio Series. A simple and a quick project to make on a cozy afternoon. Here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. I have printed all of them on 170 GSM paper, and I have printed on the back of these pages also. I've included a few labels over here and tickets. Let's start by prepping. I'm just going to go ahead and fold along these lines, and I want to add a few details along the folio with my sewing machine. And I'm folding here over the lines of this main panel. I'm going to start adding pockets over here. This long pocket, I want to add it to the side over here. And then for the middle of this panel, I want to layer these two pockets right over here. And this kit is included in the Christmas Bundle 2025. This will be named the North Pole Folio, so you can just check out your link if you have already bought the bundle. And if you would like to check out what are included in the bundle, I will include all of the kits in the description below. You can just check it out. And this diagonal pocket, I want to add it over here. We are done with the pockets. This is how it is looking. Now let's start decorating. As I mentioned, I have included a few labels over here, so you can just use them to decorate. Or you can also add them as pockets. I'm going to add this label as pockets. I've added this round cutout for the folio so that you can use it to close the for the closure of the folio. I'm just using my 5/8 inch to cut it into a round. But I just realized that once I place the round cutout in the middle of this front panel over here, it kind of hides the North Pole words. So I thought like maybe I should just skip this, and I will just add an eyelet directly onto the main panel. And I am adding this white ribbon so that I can tie around the entire folio. You can skip the entire step and just keep the folio as such. Now that we are done with the folio, I'm just arranging all of the ephemera tickets tags into the folio. And that is it, we are done. This is the final reveal of the North Pole Folio. This is one of the easy folio. This kit is included in the Christmas Bundle 2025. You can check out the links in the description below. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for updates on the other kits that will be released for the holiday season. You can join the newsletter to get updates about the products and also discount codes. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very quick and easy project. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.